Welcome to this Cribl University Criblet. Courses within the Criblet curriculum are meant to help you quickly learn or most likely review key features, steps, processes, and more. The focus of this particular module is on SSO integration with Cribl Stream On-Prem using Okta. SSO, or Single Sign-On, allows customers to connect their SSO environment, in this case Okta, to Cribl Stream. Let's jump on in and get right to it. Before you begin, you will need to gather some information from your Cribl Stream environment. We will be using the URL for your Cribl Stream leader node. Make sure that the leader node is open to the outside world through port 9000. We also want to make sure we create the groups in Okta that will correspond with the roles in Cribl Stream. Make sure to assign the correct users to those groups. Now we are ready to configure Okta. Log into your Okta admin console and click on Create App Integration. Take a brief look at the settings here before we move on to the demo. Start by clicking through to the Applications page. Once there, you'll click the Create App Integration button to create a new application integration. Then select OpenID Connect as the type of sign-in method, along with Web Application under Application Type. Go ahead and name the app integration. In today's example, we're naming it Cribl Stream. Scroll down until you find Sign In and Sign Out Redirect URL, and add the links you got from the previous steps. Continue to scroll to the Assignments section. Within Controlled Access, click to limit access to groups. You'll then select and specify access to the Cribl Admins group. Finally, click Save. Now that your Okta environment is configured, we need to gather some information in order to configure your Cribl Stream environment. Click on your Cribl Stream application and copy the client ID and the client secret. You will also need the issuer URL, which is located in the upper right-hand corner by your login name. As I said, you'll click into your Cribl Stream application and copy the client ID and the client secret. Then find the issuer URL in the upper right-hand corner. Now let's take a look at how to set up Cribl Stream for an on-prem environment. This is very similar to the Cribl Cloud setup, but there are a couple of additional settings that you can configure. One thing to point out is the Allow Local Auth setting. We want to turn this on while testing the integration to make sure we are able to log into our Cribl Stream environment. Otherwise, you can find yourself locked out of your environment, so make sure that is turned on. Here are a few things to remember. First, make sure you gather information from your Cribl Stream environment. Next, using the information you gathered, configure your Okta application. Now you are ready to configure your Cribl Stream environment. Also, don't forget to download your Criblet's Goat-Aider in the Resource tab of this course. Well, that wraps this Cribl University Criblet for troubleshooting. Don't hesitate to reach out with any questions, and remember, check out the downloadable Criblet's Goat-Aider. Thanks, and have a great one.